What's going on, YouTube? So I haven't done an EDC video, thinking about doing one, but in this one I want to follow up with my my wallet. So I've had a couple questions about this, and I didn't really give a whole lot of info about how many cards it would actually hold, and it's been a few days later using my wallet, so let me follow up with that. So I have a total of 2 cards on the back. It'll hold 2 cards, but I have a paper card and I have my price mark card. So that's 2 there. And then I want to show too much, but I have 2 here, which is my ID and another card. And then I have 2 cards here, which is my local debit card and 1 emergency card. So it'll hold a total of 6 cards on here, okay? And then with the air tag, it's very simple. It just has this little piece right here. You just pop open, slip it in there, and you're done with that. I really like it because it does force you to stay minimal. And I do keep it on my phone at all times. Even at night, I'll leave it on like this when I'm plugging it in, because now I'm getting used to always setting it up this way, which I love it. You can see all your notifications, tap to see the time. I don't use the always on display, so that doesn't really matter to me. And if I wanted to watch something and say I don't have my iPad with me, I can just take it and turn it and watch it this way. This magnet is very strong, so I'm not worried about it coming off and falling off. But yeah, that's how I choose to use this, man. And it's been great so far. I mean, just coming in, setting it down like this, and you got everything right here at your disposal. You know, I normally have it when I'm out and about, and I'm going over where the digital nomads are, you know, just messing around with videos, making them for TikTok. You know, I have my little setup like this with the keyboard for my iPad mini 6, and I'm sitting there like this. Everything is set up. I don't have to worry about a stand. I always got a stand with me with this setup. So I really do like it. Now, one of the reasons why I did not get the ESR is because I couldn't find where it had RFID blocking. I think it's RFID. You guys know what I'm referring to, but I couldn't find anywhere it had it on there, especially the one that had the Find My feature with the battery that you would charge. It didn't have it. So for me, that was important, because here in South America, I mean, you get a lot of people with those credit card readers and they will scan your card. This one has the RFID blocking. So that was one of the biggest things that draw me to this particular one instead of that one. But in short, this one will hold 6 cards, your AirTag or whatever other device that'll fit in there if you want to put it in there. As far as cash, you know, I wouldn't put any more than maybe 1 or 2 bills here in between. Because you don't want to make it too thick. And when pulling it out, you don't have to pull everything out. If you want to separate it in your pocket like this and just take out your phone and only take out this when you need it, so be it. But for me, I find it better working like this. And then anytime I'm setting it down, I'm pulling it out, you know, I can just set it up whatever way I choose to have it. And that's it, man. So I really like this little wallet. Again, I'm becoming a minimalist, at least trying to become a minimalist. And this is definitely helping me out with that, keeping everything that I basically need. Just not carrying things that I don't need, that I don't use, only taking things that I'm actually going to use. And I really appreciate that about this little wallet. A couple videos that I got coming though. One is what I keep on my iPhone, what I keep on my iPad mini 6. I'm not upgrading to the iPad mini 7. I did a short about that, and taking you guys in a day in the life with me here in South America on my other channel, as I show you guys how I use my devices for like TikTok and different things like that, how I come up with different concepts and ideas for that. So it's going to be a variety of things coming to this channel and things going to my other 2 channels. But with that being said, guys, that's it for this video. I really do like this little wallet from Tray Life. $30 well spent. So until then, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.